Hello, welcome new client. Enter our live stream. This is Fanny, and today I will introduce our wholesale model YK55 and TM55 to you. As you can see, these two model in my bag is 5.5 kilowatts, and the power is 5.5 kilowatts. Yes, and some client will ask the voltage. The voltage is 200 to 15.5, and the outside practice is ABS practice. Is ABS practice, and two color on the surface, the black color and white color. And as you can see, the surface is our brand name Anlabeier. Yes, and this model is 5.5 kilowatts. 5.5 kilowatts, 220 volts. Yes, 200 to 20 volts. If you want to customize 110 volts, this model can offer you, but the lead time will be longer. Than 200 to 20 volts. So we recommend, if you are local, can use 200 to 20 volts. Have better order 200 to 20 volts. The lead time will be faster. And some client will ask how long can get the hot water. Only few seconds can get the hot water. Yes, if you are interested, you can stay in our live stream. Then I will introduce how to use this machine and how to operate this machine. Yes. If you are interested, you can comment your email or WhatsApp number below here. Yeah, then I will send you more video for you for your reference, and we also can send you this model specification for your reference. Yeah, so if you are purchase for resale, you also can let us know your resale area, your resale country. Then we will recommend suitable model. To you.